Is your Android phone slow? Apps lag, scrolling feels heavy, and battery drains fast. But you don't need a new phone, you just need to fix these settings. Let me show you how to make your Android phone faster. This works on Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, and Pixel phones. No apps, no factory reset. Just simple changes that make a big difference. Step 1. Remove background drain. Open your Android settings. Tap Battery or Battery and Device Care, depends on your phone model. Look for background usage limits or app power management. Turn on Put unused apps to sleep. Limit background activity. Optionally, select specific apps that you rarely use and force them to sleep. Many apps continue running in the background even when you don't use them. These apps consume RAM, drain battery, and slow down your phone. By putting unused apps to sleep, your phone only runs active apps and stops unnecessary background processes. This improves performance, saves battery, and makes your phone feel faster instantly. Step 2. Turn off hidden animations. Open Settings, scroll down and tap About Phone. Find build number. Tap it 7 times until you see Developer Mode enabled. Now go back to Settings. Open Developer Options. Scroll down to Animation. Find these 3 options: Window Animation, Scale, Transition, Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Set all 3 to 0.5x or off. These animations control how fast menus and apps open. By reducing them, your phone feels much faster even though nothing else changes. This does not damage your phone, it only makes Android respond quicker. Step 3. Clean storage. Now let's clean your phone storage. When your phone storage is almost full, Android becomes slow. Apps take longer to open and your phone may freeze or lag. To fix this, open Settings. Find Storage. Here you will see how much space is being used. If it is above 80%, your phone will feel slow. Now tap Clean or free up space. Android will show old files, cached data, unused apps, and large videos. Delete everything you don't need, especially old videos, screenshots, and apps you no longer use. More free space means faster phone, smoother apps, and better battery life. Step 4. Turn off background data usage. Many apps on your phone keep using the internet even when you are not using them. They send data in the background, show ads, sync information, and update themselves. This makes your phone slower and drains your mobile data and battery. Let's stop that. Open Settings, tap Network or Connections, tap Data Usage. Tap Mobile Data Usage. Select any app you don't use often. Now turn off Allow Background Data Usage. Allow data usage while Data Saver is on. When apps run in the background, they use RAM, CPU, and internet. When you block background data, those apps stop running silently. That means more memory, less battery drain, and a faster phone. Do not turn this off for WhatsApp, Messenger, or email apps. Otherwise you may miss notifications. Step 5. Turn off Nearby. Scanning. Nearby scanning is a hidden Android feature that uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to constantly look for nearby devices like speakers, printers, TVs, and other phones. Even when Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is off, this feature still keeps scanning in the background. This wastes battery, it uses system resources, and it sends location and signal data to improve device tracking. Most users never use this feature, but it runs 24/7. Open Settings. Tap Connections. Tap Device Connections or More Connection Settings. Turn off scanning or nearby device scanning. This one setting alone can improve both battery and privacy, and most Android users never check it. If you use Nearby Share or Cast, you may need this on. You can always turn it back later. Step 6. Stop background apps. Many apps keep running in the background even when you are not using them. These apps use RAM, drain your battery, and slow down your phone. Let's stop them. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Tap See All Apps. Choose an app you don't use often. Tap Battery. Select Restricted or Limit Background Usage. This stops the app from running when you are not using it. Your phone becomes faster and your battery lasts longer. Do not restrict important apps like WhatsApp, phone, or alarm apps. Only limit games, shopping apps, and social media apps. This one change can free a lot of RAM and instantly improve performance. If this already helped you, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Step 7. Restart your phone. Restart your phone once a week. It clears memory and fixes hidden slowdowns. After these changes, your phone will feel smoother, battery will last longer, and apps will open faster. Your Android phone can be powerful. You just need the right settings. Subscribe for more how-to Android videos.